In our previous video on directional strategy, I have shown a trade where the trader anticipated that okay, market will fall, and he has taken a modified put counter, and that worked in his favor. And thanks to all of you for liking the video and giving it a very high visibility. Now the question was, it is not very easy to anticipate whether the market will go down or market will go up. In this video, I will take the same month. Let us say there is another trader who has anticipated the market is going to go up, and obviously his anticipation will go wrong because market has gone down, we all know that. So in that case, first thing is what kind of trade he will make so that his loss is limited, what kind of adjustments he should do so that he is able to sail through the market even when his direction has gone wrong. So this is going to be a big learning video for all of us. Welcome to another video by the Options Pool, and this is your friend Pradeep Singla, and we talk about very safe option trading strategies and best of the possible adjustments in all those strategies. You can join our WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We provide you a pre-market report every morning. Let us choose another trade, and again I am coming to 1st January. Same month I am taking, so that you see there should not be any confusion. You are trying to anticipate the direction of the market. If it goes right, yes, there is a good profit. If it doesn't go right, we have seen that okay, there was a small loss. But today we will see what happens in this in case we have anticipated the market in a wrong direction, and how can we adjust our trades so that we are able to sail through such markets. Obviously in this scenario, because my anticipation has gone wrong, my directional view has gone wrong, I am not looking for a huge profit, but I am looking for a possibility that okay, even when my directional view has gone wrong, can I get out of the trade without any big damage? So let us see. Last time in that video we have seen that okay, the trader was anticipating a bearish move. Now let us say the trader is anticipating a slightly bullish move in the market is already at around 26,200, and we need to see that okay, what kind of trade can be created so that in case market goes up, the trader makes money, and in case market goes down, the trader loses very less money. And then what kind of adjustment trader can do to reduce his losses or convert his losses into a neutral kind of a trade. If you have not seen the first video, you can see that video now, or maybe you can see that video after this video also. I am giving the link on the top right corner of the screen. Let us choose the trade. So what I will do, I will choose something which is very bullish. So I will choose 26,400 call, and I will sell 26,600 call, right? And now I will sell maybe another call the same way what we have done. In that case, I will sell 26,800 call, and I will buy 26,850 call, right? This is the trade. And adjust it little bit here and there. The trade is again 1:1.7 kind of profit. It is requiring around 86,000. Very similar. Now in this trade, the maximum loss in the beginning is -4829, which is slightly on a higher side. So I would like to reduce the loss. So instead of 26,400, maybe I will do 26,450. This has reduced my loss to 3197. That is the maximum loss I can have in this trade, and my maximum profit is quite good. In case market goes up, I will be making a good profit. Now what I need to do is I need to take care that okay, whatever happens to the market, I am not going to lose this much. Maybe if I can get out of the trade with maybe 300-400 rupees loss, that loss is going to happen, as we all understand, in case the market really goes down. In case market goes up, see the blue line, we are really well placed. Even if market goes up a little bit from here, it will be a decent it will be a trade in decent profit. For better reach and visibility, I'll again request all of you to kindly click the like button and subscribe button if you have not subscribed so far. Thanks in advance. Each and every like and subscriber is very precious to us. So now let us run the trade and see what happens to this trade. So let me move by 1 day. Okay, it is slightly good as anticipated by this trader. Market has moved up, and this trade is in a very small profit. Next day, okay, good. Next day again, market has moved up. Trade is in a very small profit. But if you see here I am making a good 2600 profit. Now because my maximum loss was quite high, I would like to reduce it because market has been in my favor just for a small period only, right? So let us do that. What I will do, I will book this trade 26,450 and I will reduce my possible loss. Instead of 26,450, what I will do, I will buy 26,500. By doing this, you see what has changed in the trade. Now my maximum loss is 1631 only, which is very much bearable, but we will definitely move with the market. And now the blue line is also very much in favor. Only in case the market shifts below this blue line, we will do something to reduce this maximum loss, right? Hope you are understanding. This time how it happens, let us see. Next day, see, market has started drifting down. As of now, we are still in profit. So let us give ourselves an opportunity to make profit. Next day, okay, now the market is really going down. So now I need to cover it because even the blue line is not supporting me now. What I will do, what I can do rather, so I will book this 26,500 also. I'll reduce the cost of the trade. I want that, okay, this 1631 loss is not something I want to bear. I will cut this call also and I will buy 26,000. What I am doing is I am shifting my purchase call up. When I am shifting my purchase call up, obviously I am giving less money to the market. Now my maximum loss is only 624. In case market falls in any direction or even if market goes up, my maximum loss is 624 only. So 624 is definitely absolute peace of mind because I know whatever happens to the market, even if I am working professional, on expiry it will lose 624 rupees, nothing more than that, right? So this is how a stress-free trade can be created, even if your view has directional view has gone wrong. But definitely we will try to do something so that we are not losing this money also. But we need to wait because we are into very early days. It is 7th only and expiry is of 27th. Let's see, in case market goes up, can we do something better than this? Okay, market is not going up. And what we can do, because market has really gone down, it has gone to 26,065 and my break even point although is 26,560 and 26,840. So it's a very bullish trade. And in case market from here moves up by 500 600 points, only then I will make profit. What I would like to do, I would not like to even take this loss also, right? So maybe I am seeing that, okay, this 850 call is 22 rupees. I will scare off this also. Once I scare off this, see what happens. Although all my view has gone wrong, still I am able to create a trade where if market is falling, I am not losing. Although my initial view was market will go up. Now you will say this will increase the margin. So simple solution to this is that, okay, you just buy some weekly call which is costing you hardly 2 or 3 rupees. So the margin requirement will also reduce, right? If I do it here, then it will just ruin the payoff diagram. So better not to do that. So what you will see, let us see now next day what happens. Okay, market is falling only. I'm not in a loss. I'm at 195 rupees profit. Next day, again 130 rupees profit only. 143 profit. 26 profit only. So market, in case market really comes up here, I can still make 4,000 rupees. But my direction has gone wrong and I am still able to survive in this trade. That is the main learning in this trade. This trade, I have already shown you the contra of this trade where my anticipated direction was bearish and trader made a profit. But in this case, anticipated direction was bullish and it has gone wrong and still we are not losing any money. That is the point I want to show you all. Next day, so I can definitely scare off the trade at this point because it is giving me a little bit of profit. Maximum profit it can give me is 800 rupees, which is okay. So even if I continue with this trade, maybe another 100 rupees will be taken by that weekly option which we purchase. So now if I see at absolute at expiry, this trade is definitely giving me some profit. So when your direction is right, you can make money. When your direction is wrong, you can do certain adjustments in your trade so that you are still safe, you are not losing any money, and in the beginning also you are not taking too much of a risk. In case something bad happens right in the beginning of the trade, then also you know that it's a very very defined risk kind of a trade. Similarly, we have done workshops on iron condor, iron fly, and double calendar spread, wherein we have shown that, okay, how to enter into such a trade where your risk is very limited. If your risk is limited or very defined, You can sit in the trade and wait for the opportunities to adjust the trade in such a way that okay, the trade becomes risk free. But instead of that, if you're taking a trade which has a high risk right in the beginning, then there is every chance that okay, market moves against you and you get stuck up in the trade. So it's always better to create the trade in a very structured way so that your risk is very well defined, and at every moment of the market you know what you are going to do, what kind of adjustment you are going to do. Now in this trade also, initially it was favoring up move, but market really tanked down by 1,000 points, and still we are able to get out of the trade without any damage. So similarly, in these three workshops, we have converted these three workshops into a course, and we have shown you each and every step of adjustment also. In addition to that, we have shown you 12 months of back testing, so that whatever concept we are talking, that is actually given in a back testing, that is utilized, that framework is utilized in the back testing, so that we are very clear when to do which adjustment. If you are interested in buying any of these courses, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. I am leaving you with another very interesting strategy video. Hope you will like it. Please do not forget to share, like, and click on the subscribe button if you have not done it so far. See you in the next video. Thank you.